Few days back you might have enjoyed Pushpa 1, Pushpa 2, right? Who is the hero? Lovely. Just he is a real hero. Real hero is Pushpa 3, Mr. Kranti Kumar sir. What a talent God has given to him. Already my teaching family, I started in Fantabulous Way 2025. So fortunately, God has sent to give outstanding strength to you. That's the reason. In the form of Mr. Kranti Kumar sir, Guinness Book Recorder, right now is the chief guest of our school program. I'm really very thankful to you, sir. Outstanding presentation. Please join your hands together to extend your warm thanks, Nana. Lovely. Please. The span of this time, sir has really exceeded in number of things. Already kids, nursery, LKG, UKG. I asked our madams, is there any problem? No problem, sir. They're enjoying a lot. Sir already informed. Would like to take human being into 3 pieces. I request Sujata Reddy, please go for that particular experiment because nursery children expecting LKG, UKG also. Please once again give him a outstanding applause, Nano. Really great. Magic kanda baga nannu hatukkunna endante teliyakundane great motivational words are there with this personality. Really each and every line directly, indirectly reminded you your duty, Nana. That's really awesome, sir. I think with your experience, empty pocket and empty stomach will teach the meaning of life. I think because of that reason, Prakash sir, because of empty pocket, empty stomach, he has learned all these activities. ఎందుకంటే లైఫ్ లో సక్సెస్ కావడానికి అవి రెండు ఉండొద్దు మన దగ్గర. డెఫినెట్లీ indirectly they only teach us. Anyway, I won't trouble you. Please sit properly. Allah, please sit properly. No, I won't take much time. Only 30 seconds. Please extend your lovable concentration for only 30 seconds, Daddy. Already, JGHS boys and girls are really lucky children. More than that, I'm very thankful to 2 sector of people by watching this scenery. Even 31st December also, I myself realized I am here to show my gratitude. Thanks to first Almighty providing this much wonderful children to our JGHS. Second one, already sir has mentioned, JGHS is nothing but family. What an enjoyment. What an involvement from my teachers. Nursery to 10th class, for the sake of cake inauguration, I visited personally every teacher, every class teacher, supporters, even the particular wing in charges also. We can't say in words that much great involvement I have experienced from your side. And చాలా మంది టీచర్స్ అయితే వాళ్ళ స్థాయిని మర్చిపోయి they have applied their cake on their faces. జనరల్ గా ఆడవాళ్ళు ఏదైనా ఒక వస్తువుని ఫేస్ పెట్టుకోవడానికి ఆలోచిస్తారండి 100 సార్లు. వాళ్ళకు ఉన్నటువంటి గిఫ్టెడ్ ఫేస్ ఎక్కడ డ్యామేజ్ అవుతుంది, కలర్ ఎక్కడ డ్యామేజ్ అవుతుందని. కానీ నా పిల్లలు సంతోషంగా ఉండాలని నర్సరీ టు 10th క్లాస్ వరకు అందరు టీచర్స్ కేక్ ని అప్లై చేస్తున్నారు. ప్లీజ్ గివ్ దెమ్ గ్రేట్ అప్లైస్. నాన్న పిటి సార్ వినబడట్ల చప్పట్లు. టీచర్స్ కి ఇచ్చే ప్రేమ ఇదేనా? లవ్లీ. I bow my head in front of you people, sir. Really, irrespective of age and experience and stage, everybody has involved in a marvelous way. Few teachers really took one more dare step. With their own pocket money, they provided some food items to the children. That is also awesome and welcoming news to me. Whether we are having such kind of a great concern towards the children is really remarkable. Every teacher really took participation in grand manner. When I visited play school and primary, really so many quotes attracted me. Because I'm having such kind of a great, we can say, taste. I would like to read every proverb, every quote. Is there any chance to learn? Baba, any quotes rasarandi. In number of quotes were exhibited in that campus. I extend my thanks to the designers. Even classroom, blackboard also really showed the interest and attractiveness of the teachers. Great management. Even actually, I request our correspondent to start program from nursery LKG. Myself, Santosh Reddy and our correspondent, Maipaleti approached. Near Mohamatanga, అక్కడ టీచర్స్ మమ్మల్ని వెళ్ళగొట్టారు. నో సార్, వి నీడ్ సమ్ టైమ్. అరే వీ వర్ షాక్డ్. నో, వీ నీడ్ టైమ్ సార్, మాకు గ్రీన్ మ్యాట్ రాలా, ఇంకా అరేంజ్మెంట్స్ కావాలా అని ఒక్కసారి చప్పట్లతో వాళ్ళు మనస్ఫూర్తిగా సత్కరిస్తా ఉన్నానండి. గ్రేట్ గ్రేట్ కమిట్మెంట్. ఈవెన్ Maipaleti sir felt, what a concern your play school and primary teachers are having. Every class represented my teachers' love and concern. I'm very thankful for that particular organization. Really grand manner, you gave great send-off and warm welcome to 2025. Really every teacher from nursery to 10th class, each and every, along with non-teaching family, you participated like that one. So meanwhile, one more guy, I have to say sincere thanks to Satish. Irrespective of situation, irrespective of day, irrespective of program, irrespective of festival, ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఉంది అంటే పిల్లల కొరకి పరిగెత్తుకుంటూ వస్తాడు తమ్ముడు. నిజంగా కూడా నీలో ఉన్న సరస్వతికి శిరస్సు నుంచి నమస్కరిస్తా ఉన్నాను. అంతకన్నా ఎక్కువ నువ్వు మా పిల్లల పట్ల చూపెడుతున్న ప్రేమకి నేను రియల్లీ ఐఎమ్ వెరీ గ్రేట్ఫుల్ టు యూ నాన్న. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ గ్రేట్ఫుల్ టు యూ.